Hey guys, today I'm gonna be driving this dump truck all the way over there, filled with rocks, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Okay, guys. Ah, dang! Look what it left, guys. It left a trail of rocks, but okay, guys, let's flip it over. Oh, guys, that was epic. Oh, guys. Bye-bye, rocks. Gosh, guys, that was epic. Huh. I'm gonna use this shovel. Saves time. Well, see you 3 hours later. I'm doing my own voice, so I think we're ready, guys. Say bye-bye, shovel. That'll do. And let's flip it over, guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. Full cam.
Don't drop that in the water.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button. So I'm gonna make another egg video. I did just about right now. Look, so you see that's the remainings covered up in rocks. Way dated also, it's not there anymore, but so hope you enjoyed this video. I'll do a second part of the smashing egg. So see you next time. But wait, before I go, it's not uploaded yet, so bye guys.